You hold your baby, okay? Yeah. Can you sit next to mommy? Look at the camera over there. Hi, everybody. Welcome. This is our Meet Cody video. We wanted to share with you the birth story of how he came into the world.
We also have to introduce baby. What's your baby name, Kai? Baby Ah.
Baby. We call him Baby Ah. She has her baby. I have my baby. Yeah. So this is Cody.
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby. Baby.
Yeah, good
This
job.
is baby Cody.
Baby. 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 Baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Baby.
Okay, they get the point, Kai. Let's move on.
Good job. He was born the day before yesterday on the 28th at 5:46 in the morning. He was due on the 27th, so pretty much right on time. We had a drug-free natural birth. And we're gonna share with you the real clip so you can see the story as it unfolded. So starting from the drive to the hospital, some activities in the hospital, and then their first meeting, we're gonna show you all of that. Let the labor journey begin. So
I didn't get to do my dad drive, like 4 ways on. Get out of the way, pregnant woman giving birth. Never got to do that, but
Yeah.
This is probably better in the grand scheme of things.
That's not gonna happen this time. Well, it could still happen, but it'll only be a 10-minute drive. We're heading down from Temecula down to San Diego right now because I'm 40 weeks today and nothing has happened. So the doctor's like, yeah, come in, we need to check. So yeah, we're going. We got the whole crew. Brew, Kyla, she's reading a book about becoming a big sister, and us, and the book with no action yet, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at this. But yeah, just a very relaxed, kind of like non-exciting journey. Like what we thought it would be like, oh, it's time, but it doesn't feel like that at all. It just
I think
feels
once
like,
we hit,
where is he?
Once we get to San Diego, it's gonna be just boredom, just waiting for him.
Yeah, we're just gonna be pacing the halls and just, I'm gonna do all the labor-inducing dances. So we had a nice relaxed dinner with my parents and Kyla, and then as we were getting ready for bed, I started to feel things. And at first the contractions were really mild and inconsistent, kind of irregular. So I was thinking it might be tonight, but it might not be tonight. And I just kept feeling them. But once they started getting more frequent and more intense, I got out this timer called Full Term. It's an app you can use to time the distance between contractions and the length and intensity of them. So I just started tracking them. And at first, I started noticing a pattern around 8 minutes apart. When it got down to less than 5 minutes apart, we decided to go. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. 12:54.
Let's do this. We have somebody to meet.
So we've been timing my contractions and you can't see that, but they are 5 minutes apart. Come on, focus. Yeah. And yeah, average frequency is 5.5 minutes, lasting about 1 minute each, and they are getting intense.
I got an 11-minute drive to the hospital. Let's do this.
Yeah, and I'm probably gonna have at least 2 contractions in the car. Oh, here we go. I don't think I'm gonna film that part.
Go through this red light here?
No. We drive safely. No. We're trying to make it to the hospital in one piece. But yeah, this has progressed pretty quickly because we just had dinner and everything was like normal, right? And then this started basically when we laid down to go to sleep.
I called it.
Like I was able to brush my teeth and wash my face and everything, lay down, and then they started. And at first they were like 20 minutes apart, 30 minutes apart, kind of irregular. And then they just got progressively more consistent and more intense. Now they're at the point where I can't stand up or speak or handle it silently. It's not very pretty. But I think I'm like, yeah, I have like 1 minute till the next one starts. Okay. So I wasn't gonna film any of the contractions because in my mind they were so brutally painful and I thought no one's gonna want to Just look away if you don't like watching people in pain, or fast forward to the end. To be honest, when I watched this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I do make this look easy. But at the time, I felt like it was so super intense. But I think it felt way stronger than I let it show. I think I was like containing it just so everyone around me wouldn't feel bad about it. So anyway, I just wanted to say it feels way worse than it looks in this clip. Also, to keep in mind that this is during early labor, it's not during the most intense part, so they definitely grow in intensity from here. This is one of the more mild ones, and it definitely got crazier later. Yeah, that's it. It takes a minute, but holy. It's like... You love this dad drive, don't you? Yeah. He's having the time of his life right now. We definitely were smiling and having fun in between them. Those rest breaks were fun, and we were so excited to meet little man, and I was trying to keep a positive attitude, knowing that everything was going to hurt a lot. But next one begins in 5 minutes. But also knowing the reward at the end is so well worth it. That was funny just now. He was gonna drop me off at the front door, and I'm like, no, I think I'm okay to like park and walk with you. And then as soon as we get into the parking garage, I'm like, let me out right now. And I had the worst contraction, like next to the car. So I was like, I just need to get out. That was dramatic. I'm okay now. I have these like peaceful moments in between where it lasts like 4 minutes and I'm like, I'm okay. Then I'm not okay.
So guys, we're in, this isn't the labor room, this is just the checkup room. We made it here. Dad did his driving, got us through all swerving in and out of traffic like you see in the movies. It was like 10 times worse like than that. but
you were safe.
Oh, we're safe.
We got here safe. At this point, they're testing the baby's heartbeat and response to the contractions, so I had to lay in bed with the monitors on and have contractions so we could see if the baby was in distress or not, and he was doing great. He was fine. So after this, they let me get up and walk around and move around my body more because I felt better when I was up on my feet and active versus strapped to a bed. My hips kind of hurt in this position though.
Doing good, Beau.
So I was at 3.5 centimeters. They had us walk around the halls so I could dilate further. I actually felt better when my body was moving, like squatting or lunging, versus just standing still.
Does that feel better than standing still?
I'm not even kidding. Except for when you get a contraction though. Oh. This is about an hour into continuing these contractions every 5 minutes, and they're getting so intense to the point where I can't really control my legs during them. I kind of like had to kneel down on the ground because I couldn't stand up anymore because it's so intense, and I couldn't help but make noises and moan and groan. Ow. It's passing.
More squats. Next set.
As time went on and contractions continued, they just got more and more intense, and by this point I found that this position was the best for me, squatted over, legs wide, and kind of resting my upper body on a bed and just swaying back and forth. I just kept visualizing openness and just really trying to stay very focused on what needed to happen. During one of the last few downtimes, like before I was ready to push, I think I was 9.5 centimeters at this point, but they said we just need a little bit more. Brad caught me in this really meditative state. And just minutes later, with one really strong contraction and maybe 3 or 4 really big pushes, he was born. Brad cut the cord, and it was the most awesome moment ever.
Hey guys, I think we have somebody we would like to introduce you guys to.
He's here.
Should I go introduce? He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Check out our new little man coming in at 9 pounds, 6 ounces.
He's a bruiser.
Say hello to Cody.
Cody.
You want to share a little bit about your experience?
Well, maybe we'll include some of those video clips, but oh boy, I don't know. But yeah, it was, labor took about 7 hours. It was uncomplicated, meaning just the contractions just kept progressing and getting more intense. And luckily, since it's my second time around, I knew when it was real.
Leo boy.
Hey, who's this?
Hey, Rob. Yeah. Hey, Grandpa. Who's this? Can you say hi, Cody? Look at that.
You've been practicing.
Say hi, Cody.
Is that Cody?
She's a little bit shy, aren't you?
Cody looks different now, doesn't he?
Is he a real baby?
Say hi, Cody.
That's your brother.
Cody, say hi to Kyla.
I'm gonna hold your baby too.
Yeah,
You
she
want to
looks-
see your mommy?
She looks a little bit.
Yeah. Want to see mommy? Maybe she needs to be held.
Cody, want to see me?
Want to go to mommy?
Look.
This is a little
She looks a little bit, yeah.
She's a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah. There you go.
Have I been replaced?
Yes.
baby.
What's that?
Have I been replaced?
Yeah.
Hi, Kai.
Baby.
Oh, look.
Cody.
You want to hold Cody too?
Yeah. You want to say hi to Cody?
Hey, Cody, did you see mommy's belly flat? Hmm? Look at him.
Look at Cody.
He's so cute.
He's so cute, just like you. Can Dad have a smooch? Mwah.
Mommy has
Can Cody have a smooch? Does Cody get a smooch?
to kiss Cody on the cheek.
Not yet.
She's all freaked out.
Yeah, this whole thing.
This is a lot.
Good
Is
girl,
he been
Kai.
chill? Very chill.
Yeah.
So chill.
He's so great.
You deserve that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
such a difference.
Jess, I heard you were quite the trooper.
Yeah,
As,
she
as
was.
usual.
Oh, do you remember when you came out of me and you were newborn like that?
Kai, you want to come see Daddy?
No.
No, you don't?
You want to snuggle in with mommy? No. You're snuggling? Oh, so cozy. Look. He's part of our family.
This is your brother Cody.
Oh, look, he's opening
But
his
Kai has
eyes.
her own baby and it goes like this.
Ooh, that's
And it also does this.
Oh, that's funny.
You want to show mommy?
Let's hold your baby.
Is that your baby?
Yeah.
Look,
Everybody has a baby.
baby. Isn't he cute?
She's like, why is everybody staring at me?
Hold it, I didn't order that, did I?
She's like, can I return it?
It's another little human.
I hope that's not going home with us.
Say Alexa.
Oh, says return label.
Alexa, take this thing back.
Cody's gonna be so much fun to play with. Is it Cody? A race?
Cody, all right.
Yeah.
Cody, a race? Say hi, little bro. I'm your big sis.
We love him.
Say, I'm your big sister. Big sister. You gonna be a good big sister? You're gonna be the best, aren't you?
Yeah.
You give Cody a kiss, Kai?
Daddy, will take pictures.
Oh, you're Doc.
You got the little sister.
Oh, that's nice. Say cheese, Kyla.
Chikaya.
Is that Cody over there? Do you love Cody?
You guys.
Say, I love.
You, your daddy.
No, I love Cody.
And you Kai.
Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the story. Brew is doing great with Cody. See?
Aw.
He's very gentle. He just loves smelling him. and he's concerned when he cries. It's adorable. He's such a good boy.
As you can see, our family is crazy
And
right now.
yeah, we have to watch
Let's get on
out.
with the video.
Okay. Enjoy the story. Bye.